Om Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome to our Payana guide. Suprabhata Seva is the first ritual at the Tirumala temple where Lord Venkateshwara is awakened with the chanting of 70 slokas. The reporting time is 2 am and the Seva timing starts at 3 am and lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. The ticket price it is 120 per person and the Seva availability it is daily available. You can try to get Suprabhatam Seva by applying to Seva EDIP. Seva EDIP, which starts at 18th or 19th at 10 am and ends at 20th or 21st till 10 am every month for 3 months advance Seva tickets. The result of EDIP selection will be announced on the 20th or 21st at 12 pm. Within these 2 days, you can apply for Seva EDIP at any time. Please keep a note, only 2 tickets can be applied for single login. Only Sevas which allow devotees to watch Lord Venkateshwara for more than 30 minutes from the first door. For applying Seva EDIP, no need to pay the money. Only if selected in Seva EDIP, then we need to pay the amount for Seva which we have been selected. If you have been selected for a major Seva via EDIP in the last 6 months, then you cannot apply for the Seva EDIP. Please check the daily TTD latest updates after 15th of every month to get accurate date and time of Seva EDIP. Type TTD in the browser and click on TTD official website link. Then click on the online services option. Then choose Darshan option link. It redirects to TTD official online website. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. It will redirect to the home page. Click on online services link and then select Seva EDIP option. It displays the instructions. So please read the instructions carefully and then click on the checkbox which say I have read and agreed to the instructions and then click on continue button. It redirects to the page where you need to enter the general details like email address, city, state, country and PIN code. In the pilgrim details section, there's an option to choose the number of persons. So maximum 2 person can apply for Seva EDIP from single login. So based on the persons, choose the option, the number of persons as 1 or 2 and then enter the name, age, gender and choose the ID proof as an Aadhaar or passport and then enter the ID number. Then click on continue button. It redirects to the page which displays all the 4 Seva details. Click on the select Seva and date option. It displays all the Sevas, the dates and the number of tickets availability. Here Suprabhata Seva, it's available daily and each day it varies from 253 to 270 tickets. So for a month, so around 8,301 tickets will be released. Choose Sevas and then click OK. Then click on continue to review button. It displays the page with general details, pilgrim details and whatever the Seva dates we have selected for review purpose. If you want to edit any information, here we can go and edit that information. If everything is fine, then click on Confirm and Submit button. So it displays a pop-up message saying you have been successfully registered for Seva EDIP. That's it, the process is completed. Click on that OK button. So it will display the date when the results will be announced. And also on the right side, you can see how much time is left for this Seva EDIP draw. Usually, the Seva electronic dip results will be announced on 20th or 21st of every month at 12 pm. So you can see this whether you have been selected or not by logging into the TTD official site and then go to the home page and click onto the booking history link. It displays the select service option. Here you choose the Seva electronic dip option. Then it will display the details of booking. In that you can check the DIP status. Here it will be displaying if you have been selected as selected or otherwise it will display as not selected. If selected, then you will receive an SMS with payment link. Using that, you need to pay for the tickets within 48 hours to confirm the booking. If you are selected, then it will allow you to book the accommodation. So the book accommodation link, it will be enabled. For booking accommodation, please refer the video link provided in the description. Offline Seva EDIP tickets for the next day can be registered in CRO office between 11 am to 5 pm. The automated randomized electronic dip is performed at 6 pm on the same day. The selected pilgrim receive an SMS confirmation by 6 pm. Then you need to pay the amount before 11 pm on the day of lucky dip. Otherwise, it will lapse. So about the dress code, it's mandatorily a traditional attire where the men should wear dhoti and upper cloth and sari with a blouse for women. For Darshan, you need to show the original ID proof that is used for Darshan registration. They allow ID proof only Aadhaar or passport. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.